Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome if you're new here. My name is Sarah and I'm a pregnant mommy of 3. Here on my channel you'll find lots of motherhood content, vlogs, cleaning motivation, and more. If that's something that you're into, then definitely subscribe. Hey y'all. Happy Friday. Y'all, today is Friday and I'm on my way to my 28-week doctor's appointment. If you're new here, I am pregnant with baby number 4, and like tradition, or like how we always do, we are not finding out the gender until birth. So I have no idea what I'm having. I am praying for a boy, because right now I have 2 girls and a boy. I have a 6-year-old, a 4-year-old, and a 2-year-old. So yes, I want another boy. But anywho, we're on the way to my 28-week doctor's appointment. If you're new here, you probably don't know this either, but we moved like 2 years ago down south, and I have yet to switch over anything. So I still travel, up north to my appointments. And luckily, the way my doctor's set up, there's like different locations all over in the DMV area. So DC, Maryland, Virginia, there's a bunch of like facilities you can go to. So the closest doctor's office I found is 3 hours away from me. So we are on our way there now. My appointment's at 11. It is, what time is it, y'all? It is 8:30 right now. We're gonna get there like right on time, which like sucks for me because I have to do my little glucose test, the little glucose test where you drink the stuff, wait an hour, and then get your blood drawn. I have to do that. So the goal in my head was to get to my appointment early so I can do the glucose test first, and then, what's wrong with you? It's stuck? Okay, just wait 1 second. Goodness. Attitude this morning. I wanted to get to my appointment early so I can do the test first. So I don't have to be there like, all day, because I do need to get back home. Like, I'm not trying to be all the way out here in Virginia all day long. But anywho, I have baby girl Ava and AJ with me. Ari has school today. I wasn't going to pull her from school to go to this appointment because, I wasn't going to do that. This is the first appointment where hubby's not coming. Not going to be there, which is totally fine. It's our 4th time around the moon or whatever. It's the 4th time doing it, so it's all the same. He ain't missing much. But yeah, I'm going to focus on the road now, and we're gonna head to this appointment. Hopefully we get there a little bit early, and hopefully the kids are good to me. Anywho, let's get going, y'all. I'll see y'all when we get to the appointment.
Franco.
Hey y'all, just checking back in. So it is 10 o'clock right now, y'all. I'm like 45 minutes away from my appointment. My gas light just came on, so I need to stop to get gas. That was not a part of the plan. I was not planning on stopping nowhere. I was planning on pushing this car till we get there. But let's do the right thing. Let's stop, let's be safe, and let's get some gas. This is actually not my car. This is a loaner car. My car is currently getting an oil change, so they gave me this loaner car. It's very similar to my car. This is a 2020, I think 2024, 2025 BMW X7 M Sport or something. It's a sportier version of my car. I don't really like the way it drives. It drives rough to me, but I love the color. It's like this gray color looking thing. Yeah, I love the color of it. I kind of wish my car was this color now, but yeah, we need to find a gas station, and we need to find it quick because now I have 43 miles till E. I'm actually 54 miles away from my appointment. I was like, I could technically kind of make it, but we're not going to do that. We're going to stop and get some gas. So let's find this little gas station and stop real quick. Okay, let's do this fast. And y'all, I have to go to the bathroom. That's like the worst part of like being pregnant, is always having to go to the bathroom. But I'm gonna hold it. I'm gonna try to make it. Y'all, not the car being locked. I'm a whole mess out here. My back hurts. Y'all, my back and my pelvis, my little pelvis, whatever it's called, been hurting like bad. Like that pelvis pain, bad. Driving for the past, 2.5 hours? My back is killing me right now. Why I only put $50 in there? I don't have time to be sitting here and letting it fill to the top because we gotta go. Let's see where this $50 got me. It only got me 270 miles. See, I knew that wasn't gonna fill it up. It normally costs like $70 to $80 to fill this car up. But we gotta go, so let's get going back on the road. So we just got here, y'all. I have like 10 minutes to spare. I have 2 appointments. One is at 11 and one is at 11:30. The one at 11 is just a nurse appointment. So I'm gonna be late for that one because I'm about to go right down to the lab, get this glucose test done, and then head to that appointment. I know they give you like 15-minute grace period, but yeah, I ain't worried about that appointment. Let's hurry up and get going. I gotta go to the bathroom so bad, but that's the wait too. Let's go. Literally when I'm in a rush. Why? We don't have time for this. So we made it to the lab. I had to go to the bathroom so bad, y'all. I had to run to that bathroom. I went to the potty. AJ went to the potty. I got my little ticket. And now we wait. L036. Made it in time. Time for the glucose test.
So you have 3 minutes to finish it. Okay. Don't chug it, but don't sit on it. Okay. Let me know when you're done, because that's when your time starts.
Okay. The best flavor. It tastes like an orange icy.
Just let me know when you're done.
Now she definitely said don't chug it. I don't know why I always chug it because I was actually really thirsty, and yeah, it kind of gives me the jitters now when I'm thinking about it. I'm kind of like jittery. I probably should have slowed down, but y'all, the orange one is the best flavor in my opinion. It tastes like a high C orange from McDonald's. So it's 11:08. We made a good time, y'all. I'm in the waiting room waiting for my appointment to start. So finally made it back here. I have some paperwork to fill out. The kids are entertained. They got their snacks, they got their tablet, and yeah, y'all, why am I 178 pounds? By the end of this pregnancy, I swear I'm gonna be like 200 plus. Anywho, let me fill out this paperwork so when the doctor comes, I'm ready. So we just got done with my appointment, y'all. Those appointments be like 10 minutes. They come in there, check your belly, check how you're measuring. She said I'm measuring at 28, 29 or something like that inches. They gave me a shot. Let's see.
A Band-Aid.
A Band-Aid, yes. They gave me my Tdap shot, and then now I'm just waiting to get my blood drawn. My time is 12:05. Right now it is 11:59, so we got like 15 minutes to wait. And yeah, she scheduled my appointments for the next couple appointments or whatever, and we're good to go. She was like, do you have any questions? I was like, no. This is the 4th time around. It's the same thing. Like, by this point I should know what to expect, but if anything, you know, I'll give her a call. But God willing, everything goes as well as it's going now. I thank goodness for this pregnancy. I'm feeling good, I'm relaxed, I'm healthy. Thank Lord for that. Anywho, let's just wait for my blood to be drawn, and then we're gonna hit the road and back home we go. We might stop. We will stop to get some lunch for the kids. And because this is not my car, this is a little loaner car, they can eat in the car. Because normally they do not eat in my car. There's a no eating rule in my car. But because this is not my car, they can go ahead and eat their little Chick-fil-A, their little chicken nuggets and french fries, and just do what they do. Because I'm trying to hit the road and be back home by what? Let's see. If I leave at 1, I should be home 1, 2, 3, 4, by like 4 o'clock, which is perfect because I already get out of school at 4. So we shall see how the rest of the day goes. So I just got my blood drawn, y'all. It is 12:07 right now. We're making good time. It's time to roll up out of here, get some food, and then hit the road. The kids got some stickers. You got stickers? You got stickers? Let me see your sticker. Show me your sticker. Stickers and baby book. They don't have pancakes no more. It's lunchtime. You want chicken nuggets? What do you want? They don't have pancakes. They don't have pancakes. Do you want chicken nuggets? And french fries? They don't have IHOP here. Hello?
Oh, you using mobile?
No. Can I have 2 chicken nugget Happy Meals?
Okay.
Both with chocolate milk and barbecue sauce?
Okay.
Can I also have a number 1 large with high C orange with light ice?
Okay.
And that's all.
First number.
Thank you. They don't have IHOP here. This is just McDonald's and get on the road and go home. Okay? You can have french fries. You want barbecue sauce? You want chicken nuggets? It comes with apples. Want the apples? How about the chocolate milk? You don't want nothing? Okay. Well, you can eat when you go home then. We don't have IHOP. There's no IHOP here. Do you see IHOP? I don't see IHOP here. We'll get IHOP tomorrow, okay? We'll get IHOP tomorrow. Y'all. He kept saying that he wanted McDonald's. I was gonna go to Chick-fil-A across the street, but the line is so long right now. I was like, okay, let's just get McDonald's, right? Get to McDonald's. I want pancakes. They're not serving pancakes at 12:19. Yeah, they're not. My kids don't really eat fast food like that unless it's like breakfast, like pancakes. So I already knew like this wasn't going to be it, but they'll eat french fries or whatever. He might eat the chicken nuggets. They might every now and then, but normally it's a waste of money. But I have to feed them something, and we're not going to IHOP. There's no IHOP. There's no time for IHOP right now. IHOP was never an option. So y'all better eat these little french fries, drink your little chocolate milk, sit back, take a nap, and enjoy this 3 hours back to the house. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Can I have 2 straws? Thank you. Have a good day. Ooh, y'all. So just parked real quick. I handed them their food. It's been a few weeks since I had McDonald's. The beginning of my pregnancy, or like towards the middle, the beginning end of the first trimester, I was craving McDonald's Big Mac hard, y'all. It's been a while since I had me a Big Mac. Y'all. Yum, 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 yum. So I got me a Big Mac meal. Of course, I got me my orange high C. Even though I just chugged a little juice or whatever. I swear, that juice I chugged earlier tastes just like this. This is good. I have my large fries. Ooh. Need help? Throw it. These little apple slices. Oh, sorry. You got it? Can you pick it up? Okay. But yes, we have our food. We're about to hit the road and head on back to the house, y'all. Hey y'all, so we just got back to the house maybe like an hour ago, y'all. I'm exhausted. Like, I'm so tired. Driving 3 hours up, 3 hours back. Whew, I'm tired. My back is hurting. Like, my back's been hurting for a while now. I did talk to my doctor about it. She was like, well, maybe I should try wearing a little pregnancy belt. If that doesn't work, then she can refer me to a, physical therapy or something. I was like, look, this is the 4th time around. I ain't got time for all that. I'm just going to pop this little Tylenol, lay down, and that's gonna be it. But anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and close out the vlog. If you made it this far in the video, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. If you're new here, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye guys.